Good day to you all. If you have been looking for how to trade successfully or how to build your confidence in trading, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'll be showing you a practical session of how to analyze and trade boom and crash successfully. Okay, we're going to analyze the market together and we're going to place some trades and see how we can close it at the end of the trading session. So this is what we'll be looking at today. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to prepare your mind for today's trading, and also to get your notepad and your pen on ground so that you can take notes, one or two things, so that you can apply them to your own trading activities. Okay, that is what we will be looking at today. But before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you can always contact me anytime, any day, in case you have any question or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you want to know more about my trading tools. Feel free to contact me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will also be dropping all these in the description box below this video. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, let me quickly say this: it is important you learn, practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account. No matter how juicy the market is or how good the trading tools or strategies you're getting is, just make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very important for those that want to make good money from this market. Okay, this is very, very important. So with that being said, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, and set the notification to all notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let's quickly check out what is happening in the markets before we go into what we will be doing today properly. I'm starting with boom 1000 and I'm using the signal indicator for my analysis today. Okay, at the moment you can see that it's been on downtrend at the moment. So the downtrend started somewhere here. Okay, you can see it was on uptrend before, but when it got to this resistance level, it started the long downtrend and it's still going. Most of the supports were broken, are being broken at the moment. So you need to do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. These are some of the things I use with my signal indicator. You can see that the signal indicator is having a sell signal and it is also having a buy signal, and this line helps us to know in simple way the trend of the market, okay, without overstressing yourself. Okay, and it can also act as the breakout action for you to trade. Okay, just the way you are seeing it. Okay, the blue line, the blue color, it means that the market is on uptrend at that particular point, while the yellow color means that the market is on downtrend. And you can see when it breaks out from the line, that serves as breakout action. Each time it breaks out from the line, then you should expect it to go for a little while, okay, for some time. And if the color also changes from blue to yellow, then you should expect it to go for long. Okay, so that is how it works. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. It is presently on uptrend at the moment. We can see we got our buy signal here, but got confirmed there. But if you should check, even till this moment, it has given us 44 minutes candles. That is amazing. If you are using 5.0 lot size to trade, that means you'll be getting $2.5 per minute, okay, times 44. Okay, that would have given you $110. That is amazing. That is amazing. So the most important thing is for you to understand the way the indicators are working, practice and perfect your skill with it, and make sure you follow the rules guiding it when you are trying them out on your real account, and do not be carried away when you start making profit, because in most cases you'll be getting it right from the beginning, but once you get carried away, you will notice that you are missing some vital points that you should have taken, you should have considered before placing your trade. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for this. Okay, this indicator makes it very easy for everyone to use, because you will be able to know when the market is on uptrend and when it is not on uptrend, or probably is on downtrend at that particular time. For instance, the market was on uptrend around here. This is boom 500. Okay, so which means since this has given us the information that the market is going up uptrend, you should know that it will soon start spiking. And check it out, it started spiking right from here. If you had come in here, let's say you had come in here while the market was on uptrend, you would have been in the market till this very moment. Okay, till this very moment. Let me close this. Okay, let's go back again. That is actually confusing. Okay, you would have been in the market for a very long time, okay, till this very moment, which will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day, because the market is at the top here and you would have entered down here. Okay, you would have entered down here and the market has really gone up. Okay, let's check out what is happening. So for now, the market is on downtrend, is on uptrend and planning to go back on downtrend. Okay, it is planning to go back on downtrend. So if you must trade, trade carefully, and right now you should prepare yourself for downtrend. As you can see, this is the entry point. Let me take it back again. This is the entry point. You can see this is the entry point. On this candle is the entry point. Check it out. It has been spiking up and it never got down to your entry point, and right now it is at this level. But check this arrow out. It is giving us a downtrend signal, telling you to start preparing for downtrend. Okay, but you should have this at the back of your mind. This uptrend has been going for long, then you should know that it will take some time for it to turn totally into downtrend. It will have to break these 4 MA candles to turn totally into downtrend, but definitely you can still place some downtrend trade within this region till it is able to turn out into downtrend totally. So all these are very, very vital and important. Once you understand all these, you will be able to trade successfully. These are part of analysis that we are doing. Okay, at the moment, we're considering crash 500 and we are using the NT indicator for now. Okay, for crash 500, you can see this is 1 hour time frame. The NT indicator is telling us that the market is on downtrend, and as you can see, all these are yellow and it has been going down since then. Even this support had been broken and it is still going down. So that is the way it works. Make sure you understand the indicator you are using and you will be able to milk it successfully. So I'll be stopping here with the analysis. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you dive into your real account with any of the strategies shared here. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell and set it to all notification. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed right now on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. So let's go back to what we have for today, which will help us to know how I personally I'll analyze the market before placing my trade and how I close in profit. Okay, that is what we'll be looking at today. So I hope you are ready to take down some notes so that you will be able to apply some of these things in your trading activities, at least on your demo first before you go to your real account. So while you are doing that on your demo, I want you to ask some questions, put it into practice, and come back to me on WhatsApp, and let me have some of your questions so that we can have that solved together. And also, if you are making progress with it, if you are actually making some profit with it, then you can discuss it with me so that I will know other things or other tip I can add to it so that you will be able to trade successfully with this at the end of the day. So let's go to the trading platform again. Hey guys, I welcome you all to the trading platform, and I will be placing some order now. Okay, right now, as you can see, we are on boom 1000, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. And when I open the chart, I notice that it is at a very good point. So let me quickly place some order, then I will give some reasons on why I decided to place some order right here. Okay, let me quickly say a few things why I'm doing that so that you will understand and we will be able to save some time for ourselves. Okay, right now, as you can see, the market had been on uptrend before, but right now the trend indicator in the third indicator window shows that the market is now on downtrend. Okay, so the market came on downtrend, but after getting to this support level, it reversed a bit. That is why you were able to see these three spikes that happen in between. So that usually happen because the market is on downtrend does not mean there won't be a reversal. Even if it's just going to be for a few seconds or a few minutes, there will definitely be a reversal. Okay, so you don't expect it to keep on going down for a very long time while it is on downtrend. Okay, probably you were looking out for, okay, since it is on downtrend, then it should keep on going down till the end of the trend. It doesn't work that way. Okay, you expect it to go down to you expect it to go down for a while and allow it to reverse a bit, then go down again. So you will be having more of sell than buy. Okay, that is what you will be experiencing in downtrend. The opposite of that is in uptrend. Okay, you will be having more of buy than sell in uptrend. Okay, so because it is on uptrend does not mean it to keep on spiking in boom without creating any sell candle at all. No, it will definitely create some sell candles before it spikes again, just that you'll be experiencing more of spikes than sell candles. Okay, when the market is on uptrend in boom. Okay, so as we can see it, I've had to place my order according to the signal I got. Okay, the first signal I got was that of the trend. Okay, I checked the trend indicator, the general trend indicator, the one in the third indicator. It gave me a sell signal, and I got a sell signal also on the main chart, which is that of the arrow, the red arrow. Okay, so I placed my trade with that, and after placing my trade with that, I started I wanted to make use of the advantage to place multiple order, but it is not compulsory you place multiple order. You need to do your calculation very well before you can place your multiple order. Okay, make sure the lot size you are using is reasonable, and make sure your capital is strong enough to accommodate the total number of order you are creating. Okay, if you are using 0.5 lot size and you are creating 10 orders, that means that you have successfully created you have successfully used 5.0 lot size in total. You have successfully used 5.0 lot size in total. So if the market is going to go against you, then it should go against you with the same measurements. Okay, with the same measure. Is that clear? So I hope you are getting this. So if you are using 5.0 lot size and you are creating 10 lots, 10 orders with it, definitely you have successfully triggered the 50.0 lot size for yourself. It will give you a lot of money, and at the same time, if the market should go against you, it will also put you in negative. Okay, it will also put you in a big loss at the end of the day. Okay, if the market should go against you, so you need to do your calculation very well before you place a multiple order. Okay, one or two order is okay if you are just coming up, so that you can be able to manage it very well. The most important thing is consistency in making profits. Okay, that is very, very important. So as we can see, the market is still going down. And this is how I actually did my analysis. Number one, the indicator I'm using is called QDC scraper indicator. It helps me to know the trend of the market. It also gives me a buy and sell signal. Okay, these are very, very, these are some of the important features in trading that you should know before you start trading. Okay, I've gotten my sell signal on my trend indicator. It shows that the market is on downtrend already, and on the main chart I have gotten a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, it shows that I am secured at this particular time to sell, so I can easily sell, and I'm selling right now, and this will go for a very long time. And as you can see, it is still going down. It is still going down. Many candles have been created already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 candles being created or has been created already, so more candles will be created again. More candles will be created again. So let's check out the way it goes. This is just how you do your analysis. Like I said, let me itemize them again. Let me bring out the point again so that you will understand the way it works. The first thing is to consider the trend. Okay, and the QDC trend scraper, which is in the third our indicator window, is telling us the general trend of the market. Once I get a downtrend there, then I am rest assured, I have the confidence to go into the market and sell. Okay, because the market is on downtrend already. So the next thing I should look out for is a sell signal, and I've gotten a sell signal, so I can now go in and pick up my sell order. So that is the way it works. This is how you can do your analysis, and it will continue like that till the end of the trend. Okay, you can always come in after each spike, after getting a sell signal, then you come in again so far the market is still on downtrend. So that is the way it works. That is the way you can handle the situation, and that is the way you can trade successfully without any hiccups. So I'll be stopping here right now, but before doing that, you can see this is where the trend started from, and this is where we are presently. If I had started from the beginning of that trend, then I should be in a lot of profit right now. Okay, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. Do not forget to browse through the channel and watch some of the video clips, and also practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you dive into your real account. So I'll be stopping here right now. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.